sister.
Hi.
And Arnav's my big. And we are going to get a new car in today's video. Hi, Shu.
Hi.
Hello.
We're leaving the house and we are on our way to the new car house.
We are en route to Malad.
Look into Malad.
We will be showing you some driving footage. So stay along.
So the car that my brother is going to get is going to have a sunroof. And it's going to be bottle, it's going to be
All green color.
yeah, what he said.
Now we are en route to the Malad showroom to get the car. We'll see you there. How to reach to the showroom, and it should be around here somewhere.
Yes, Smerastic fan.
It is here. We are here. We have made it to the showroom.
Sunroof was super windy. We were on a break. It was super windy. It was so windy. My tongue is dry. Take it to my sister.
So it's very thundy out. So in that car, new car.
It was very cold in the new car because it had sunroof.
It was very cold in the new car because there's a sunroof there. Because I don't know where's the cold. My tongue is also cold. So my leg is also cold in my car. So bye.
Smerastic fans, I am Arnav. I have temporarily stolen Smera's channel. Now it is mine. I have just got a new Nexon. So this is my review of my new Nexon. Just bought it. It's been a couple hours. I'm just gonna show you the features. We have a touchscreen here, which has Bluetooth phone connect, music, radio, and all the normal stuff. Then we also got music controls on the steering wheel. You pick up a call, increase volume, reduce. Then you also got the modes here: Eco, City, and Sport. We also got the gearbox with 6 gears. And last but the most important one, we got sunroof controls. With a sunroof one. Sunroof. It's a very spacious sunroof. Easily 2 to 3 people can stand in there. Not 3 but 2. So this is the basic rundown of the car, and you got the normal car stuff like glove box, the doors, and normal stuff. It also has automatic rain sensing wipers. Well, it's not raining, so can't show that. The interior leg space is kind of nice. You can stuff at least 5 people in here, and like an extra like 2 to 3 children. You can make them sit on your laps, and the interior is just like luxurious. It's like a leather finish.